not gonna lie to you guys, this is probably the best job I've ever had. No bullshit, but I got more coming for you guys tomorrow. I got a new video coming actually, so just stay tuned. Yeah, just meeting better people, man, getting great opportunities and staying blessed about it, bro. Humble. It's the best I can say, man. Manifestation is real, and if you don't believe it, read. I'm doing some hanging up in right now. What I'm trying to do here is actually drop this down. So there's the picture there. That's what I'm trying to go for, but it's a lot of space. And I'm trying to figure out how to make it look even. And this is the thing of like the eye of a creator, you know, like having to try and put it all together. You know, it's funny. So this is what, day 3? What's today, Wednesday, day 3? I'm still not used to where I work yet. I'm still getting used to it just because, you know, my whole life I've been told my creativity is wrong. So being here now, you know what I mean, it definitely, it's pretty cool. It's definitely pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna do that there. Drop that down some more. Get an idea of what I'm looking at here. I did put some lines up because I just thought it'd be a little bit easier to kind of, you know, section and whatnot. But yeah, this is how it's coming along so far.
Like I'm on Mars, scorching hot. Life can be hard, but it's what we do. Take it to the top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Increasing my strength when I remember myself. Life can be hard, but it's what we do. Take it to the top. Yeah, yeah, yeah.